countdown to the SCO summit has begun. 20 world leaders representing approximately 42% of the world population will gather in China's Tianjin. Apart from the multilateral roundtable, slew of bilaterals will be taking place on the margins of the summit. One such high-stakes encounter will be that of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin. This will be first time that both the leaders will be sitting across each other after Trump's tariff tirade against India. More in our next report.
Prime Minister Modi will be in China after 7 years. Geopolitical dynamics have changed since his last visit. Trump appending the global trade order, punishing India with tariffs for its Russian oil purchases, Russia and China cozying up to each other. The SCO arena will be an opportunity to carve out a fence to rising global challenges. And Prime Minister Modi won't be missing out on it. Prime Minister Modi will once again sit across Vladimir Putin. India-Russia ties have so far survived changing tides of geopolitics. The most recent example being New Delhi's stance on buying Russian oil. Despite global pressure, India is standing its ground. It is now the second biggest purchaser of Russian oil. In the words of India's Foreign Affairs Minister, Russia-India ties is the one constant in world politics. Moving from oil to the guns now, India unleashed Russian-made military arsenal in recent confrontation with Pakistan. India's Air Force flew Sukhoi 30 MKI and MiG-29 fighter jets. S-400 air defense system proved a game changer in protecting Indian skies from Pakistani attacks. In 2018, India defied US sanction to purchase S-400, reasserting New Delhi's trust in Russian arms. From defense to energy security, Russia and India maintain close-knit cooperation. With changing global tides, this cooperation is facing an unprecedented challenge. Trust runs deep in India-Russia ties. It's an interplay of history and interpersonal relationship. Prime Minister Modi and Vladimir Putin share a rapport that is built on mutual respect during his visit to Russia last July. Russian President awarded Prime Minister Modi with country's top civilian award. Putin-Modi dynamic will be on display once again. From 2014 to 2025, both leaders have met on multiple occasions. They have shaken hands for over 10 times in last decade. From signing S-400 deal to Prime Minister Modi's famous "not an era of war" remark. Multilateral gatherings to bilateral forums, both leaders do not miss any opportunity to converse. India and Russia ties are once again at the center of world stage. Vladimir Putin remains in constant touch with India's top leadership. In the month of August, he held 2 phone calls with Indian Prime Minister, held separate in-person meetings with India's Foreign Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Now all eyes are on Tianjin, where 20 world leaders will be under the same roof. Paths of Russian President and Indian Prime Minister will once again cross. But this time, chips are down and stakes are significantly high. Now both countries carve out the path ahead will be a thing to watch out for. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.